This afternoon job entails putting a blow motor up in a terminal air box. I'll be putting a similar motor like this using that ladder up in this hole. There's the bottom of the terminal air box. Let's get busy. Next step, take that belly band and put it on that motor. And with it I got a new capacitor in a box and a capacitor mounting kit. Alright, got the belly clamp on the new motor. Alright, I got the new blower motor mounted in the housing. Already checked the wheel, make sure it doesn't rub on anything. Next I'll put the blower frame and connect it to the ductwork. Then do the wiring. Alrighty, not bad at all. Put the housing back on the ductwork on this fan power box 3.8. Now it's time to land all these wires. We got a couple brown ones for the capacitor. I'm going to use the black one for the load. I'm going to use the yellow one for the common. But hey, what about the red and the blue? Those are your other two lower speeds. These will just be cut and capped or wound up and strapped. I'll make sure I wire strap the wires, otherwise they'll get sucked right into the blower and then they get cut. I'll take a picture of something like that when I'm done landing wires. Alright, so I wired it up. Got straps around the wires so they don't get sucked into the fan. And then I'm going to check the rotation, make sure it's sucking there. Sounds good. The previous motor was burnt up. And just to make sure that air is going in the right direction, go ahead and take a filter. It's holding on its own, it's getting pulled in. So now it's just a matter of tool cleanup and get all the panels back on the fan power box. And I'll call this done. That blower motor was responsible for the ventilation in the conference room. So we're in October, whatever, 15th, and we're gonna need the heat. We're gonna need the reheat out of that system. It's good to go.